The Medical College of Georgia continues to grow. That was the message at the annual State of the College address today. News Channel 6's Kim Vickers was there.
Friday afternoon, Dr. David Hess talked to colleagues and students at MCG about the college's accomplishments and plans for the coming year. The theme of the day, growth and expansion. This year, MCG had its largest first-year class ever, one of the top 5 largest in the nation.
Going up 20% this last year, and the year before about 17 to 18%. So we've had, close to a 40% growth over 2 years.
That growth spreading far outside of Augusta.
I think one of the points I want to make is how well developed our regional campus system is, but it requires partners, which are health systems that provide, student support to us and an opportunity for students to learn.
Dr. Hess briefly discussed meeting with local leaders to try and secure funding for a new research facility. It's something Wellstar MCG Health's president says is needed at MCG, not just because of the state of the current building.
Our focus with research from a healthcare systems perspective is to help get the research from the bench to the bedside. So it's our goal to increase that platform. Medical College of Georgia, now it has the opportunity to go central with all the Wellstar facilities, which just opens up access to have more clinical trials. So that's a big win for all of us.
There is some concern about the possibility of federal budget cuts impacting the National Institutes of Health, cuts that could impact research at MCG.
And that just means that we have to find another way to fund our research programs. Why? Because our patients depend on it. When you create research and it goes from the bench to the bedside and puts you in a clinical trial state, we will not let those patients down. We will do all we can to make sure we keep our programs viable for the community.
Wellstar MCG is also working on expanding rural health care through its digital health care program. In Augusta, Kim Vickers, WJBF News Channel 6.